Does each month last longer than your paycheck? If so, it's time to tighten your belt and set up a budget. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to set up a budget as well as track your spending. If you follow my tips, you can reduce the stress of your financial situation. Money is often a big stressor in life. While I won't be offering a way for you to make more money here, I can show you ways on how to better manage the money you have. Between your bills, wants, and needs, your money seems to disappear faster than you can earn it. So what can you do to help your financial situation? The answer is to set up and stick to a budget. Budgets are valuable tools which can help you to understand where your hard-earned money is going every month, better prepare you for unexpected events, save up for a vacation, afford a new car, and be better prepared for retirement. Basically, anything important to you or necessary for a more stress-free life. The alternative is more of this or this every month for the rest of your life. So let's get started. The first step in setting up a budget is to gather up all of your monthly bills so we can establish when they are due and approximate how much they are each month. Hopefully, you have been recording this information in some type of ledger like your checkbook. This will be where you can go back and look to see how you have been spending your money in the past, so I can help you better spend your money in the future. I can tell you from experience that today we have much better tools for record keeping and can quickly pull up this type of data more efficiently and in a better comprehensible fashion. This can be with a spreadsheet, a mobile app, or a computer program. Most of these today are free or very inexpensive, and they allow you to record your spending quickly and easily. If you have an Apple Mac or iPhone, there is a free app called Numbers that allow you to create a very simple budget shown here. There are other apps and programs you can get as well if you'd like. Here is a place on CNET's website where you can find programs compatible to whatever device or computer you have. I have been using an app on my iPhone for years called Pocket Money, and it only costs $3.99. It is simple to set up and it allows you to see what and where you are spending money, and it helps you break down your spending into categories. This is important because it will help you to maintain a little caution when it comes to your monthly spending. Just go to your app store and search for checkbook or expenses or budget, and you can find dozens of great programs to help you out. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a budget using an Excel spreadsheet that I developed so you can track your spending and better understand where your monthly income is and where it is going each and every month. You can see in this section that it is designed for a quick estimate to calculate your income and your outgoing and give you an estimated balance each month. By looking here, you can see your income minus your expense balance. If the number is black, great job! You should have money left over each month. If the number is red, your spending is greater than your income. This is the Legend section, so you can see sections in blue are protected cells and cannot be changed, so you don't have to worry about accidentally changing the formula that does the work for you. The yellow sections can be changed so the formulas in the blue section can calculate the information. In the more detailed section, we can break down just exactly where your spending is, and you can adjust accordingly to help you have some money left over each and every month. I have included some of the most common spending categories, but please tailor it to your life. You just sit down once a month and enter the actual numbers as far as your income and your bills, and then you can see at the bottom of this section, it will calculate for you if you have more money left over or if you have spent too much money that month. If this is the case, you need to either increase your monthly income, which is not always easy to do, or you need to cut back on your monthly spending, which might not seem easy at first, but you have the choice to cut back on some things that are keeping you financially in the red. This section is a breakdown on what and when your bills should be paid each month so that your paycheck doesn't take a big hit one week, leaving you with little money that pay period. The goal should be to pay those bills due at the beginning of the month as equal as the bills you pay towards the end of the month. By balancing your debt payments, you will have less stress each month because you should have money in your account all month long, and if you don't, you need to adjust how much you are spending on the individual categories. If you are entering your data into a program or an app that I suggested earlier, you'll be able to set spending limits on the different categories and you can see the day-to-day visualization of your budget. For me, I set a limit on miscellaneous cash withdrawals to spend on whatever I want. I set a limit on dining out or how much I spend on entertainment like downloading movies or songs or going out to the movies in advance. This allows me to stay within my monthly budget and it assures me that I will have money left over every month to be able to save or invest. An effective budget takes discipline every month, but the rewards are huge. I hope this helps you to relieve some of the stress in your life and help you to better prepare for your daily life and future. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you like and subscribe. Have a great day. And now it's time for today's bonus. I am providing to you a link down in the description area of this video so you can download the budget Excel spreadsheet. When you click on the link, if you do not have a Dropbox account and you do not wish to start one, you can see towards the bottom it has a no thank you link. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section.